Hello guys, I'm Aditya and I recently crossed 100 subscribers on YouTube, and what that allows me to do is get a custom URL for my channel. Today I'm going to show you that how can you get your own. To get your own channel you should be eligible. The conditions are mentioned. The next thing that you want to do is open your browser and head over to YouTube. Then click on your channel icon and head over to Creator Studio. The next thing that you want to click on is on the channel tab, and then click on enable under the custom URL tab. If you are eligible, then you can claim your URL here. I strongly suggest you to read the terms of use. Now all that you have to do is click on I have read the terms and conditions and confirm URL. And that's it. Now you have your own custom channel URL.